Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Wednesday the 4th of June. I'm going to look at dollar yen now, and this rally for the dollar continues to go and made good gains, certainly very good gains in the last 3 days now. Um, and the outlook is improving now in this chart, you would certainly argue. Now, what we need to do is break these two underside resistance areas. You've got the underside of that 144-day moving average, which, to be honest, early on today didn't really pay too much attention to, but we're back under it again now. But this is the one that's more interesting for me. This big uptrend. This is big uptrend that has been in place on dollar yen. Quickly zoom back. Since February 2013, and that the underside of that is now a basis of resistance, and it did a job back in mid-May, and it could now do a job again. So that is the next key barrier that these dollar bulls need to recover through, and that would be, if you could break above there, that would certainly start to suggest that there is some legs in this dollar recovery, I think. These moving averages are beginning to turn higher on the daily chart. Also, you'd certainly say these momentum indicators, RSI especially, are improving and far more positive than they have been for a long while, for a good 2 months almost. And that is certainly reflective of the outlook that we're seeing at the moment. So on this intraday chart, you would argue that. So just zoom out slightly here. You've got this recovery that we've seen in place here. You've got a reaction low at 102.24, which is sorry, zoom in quite clear. 102.24 was the reaction low that we saw yesterday. That is a bit of a support area, and 102 big figure remains this big pivot level on dollar yen. But I think these intraday moving momentum indicators are all positive configuration as well, so a lot more positivity showing through this chart in the near term. I just think that we need to break above this, the underside of this resistance of the old uptrend, and then you can start to think about certainly a test of that 103.02 resistance from the May high, and you can then look up towards the upside again. But certainly, I think at the moment we're buying into corrections on this. You've got this key higher low at 101.41. That looks to be solidly in place now, and I think you'd certainly be looking for another higher low, maybe around about that reaction high within this recovery at 102.14, if there were to be another mini correction within this move. So you'd be looking for another low around about that mark, 102.14. I said on that intraday chart you've got 102.24 already in place. So there or thereabouts, I think you could be looking for another higher low, but certainly I think you'd be looking to buy into dips now. If you look at the dollar generally, as I said, dollar index is breaking higher and looking to make gains against the majority of these forex pairs now. So I think that this is just indicative of that move that we're seeing, that recovery in the dollar. So what's going to impact this chart today, potentially on the economic front? Well, you certainly got the ISM services data, ISM non-manufacturing at 3 o'clock, and also the ADP number as well at 1:15 for the States. That could have an impact, so we'll watch out for those. But certainly, technically speaking, we're looking more on the upside once more. Okay, well, I wish you good luck in trading on dollar yen today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.